Archana Malhotra in your online session, World Sparky Part. The whole world is viewing the virus as a huge challenge, but is China seeing an opportunity here?
I don't think that the stock market's better, and nor is there industrial production at the moment, at least up till now. Since the Cultural Revolution, which ended in 1776, China has never had its GDP growth rate fall by 10%. So they are also having an issue. I like to put it as the pull factor and the push factor. So the economy is the pull factor for India-US relations. I mean, certainly the democratic credentials, the Indian diaspora, our youth dividend. There are a lot of factors. So this is one aspect set of the factors, and in the pull factor also comes in that in all the studies that have been done, India and US's interests do not clash under practically any circumstance.
But I know you have very strong views, so we would like to hear all of them.
We have a rogue state on our borders, unfortunately, where the jihadis rule the roost. The Pakistani army rules the roost, and we have a big challenge. And this challenge is not going to go away in a hurry. It will ebb and flow. But unfortunately, that's the nature of the beast that we have, that we will, and they are being supported to the hilt by China. Sankalp, SAMKALP, Samkalp. And in 1990, I think some of the senior civil servants, IAS, IPS, IFS, academics, some others, they got together and said, look, let's give something back to the society. And they have constituted this NGO which does completely pro bono work. The best part is nobody who is involved with that gets a penny. In fact, they contribute. It has for me been a matter of great joy to be associated with this wonderful organization, to see youngsters enthusiastic about the civil services and try to share something little that one knows.